Yo, what's up, everyone? We are back today, right now. Really appreciate you all tuning in. So yeah, let's get straight to it. And yes, guys, before you enter into the Discord or before you enter into the live, just make sure you guys know, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Please and thank you. Please do your own research, of course, before we go into this stream right now. So yeah, had a great weekend. Let's go ahead. Obviously, yes, I did end up swinging a couple entries over the weekend. And what I did swing was, we had, Tesla, and then we also had another one as well. Yo, what's up, everyone? And yes, we'll go over SPY, we'll go over pretty much everything here today. But the ones that I did end up swinging, one second here. If this wants to load up, okay, that's perfect. So let's see. Tesla. Yo, what's up, everyone? Appreciate you all for tuning in. Thank you all so much. So yes, we're going to go over today. We have a lot of different things that I am looking forward to. One second, let's go to the. So yes, I did end up swinging Tesla. That ended up working out great, and this was basically the play that we had. And yeah, so let's see. Let's go over this as well, and I'll look for the same play each and every day. So yes, we had a box. Let me go ahead. And show you exactly what I was looking for. Yo, Gavin, what's up, everyone? Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. Ready for an amazing week. So yes, we had a top wall here. We also had this bottom wall right here. And on Friday, or not Friday, on Thursday. So yes, we had this bottom wall that we needed to break under. So it was more of a punchback entry. What did we see? We seen this empty space all the way here. And let's look. First take profit was obviously hit. Final take profit, we are bouncing on that. So that is a very good play we had. This empty space. So this clear move up with no consolidation. And that's exactly what I wanted to the downside. And as you can see, we were retesting this wall on, Thursday? And then we ended up dropping. So that was pretty much my standpoint in that. We did have the empty space. One second here. Let me make sure you guys can actually see what I'm saying. And yes, guys, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. I'm only going over the charts, not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research, of course. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Good morning. Good morning. What's up? All right, yeah. I know I'm, loud on this Monday morning, but honestly, I'm pretty excited. So yes, clear move up. We ended up breaking below the wall. We retested, and then we ended up flushing. So that was pretty much it. Yo, Simone, good morning. How are you today? Good to see you. Good to see you. So yes, let's go over SPY really quickly, and then we'll go over, the Q. I do want to go over the Qs as well, and then we'll keep on going. Yeah, let me look at. I can definitely take a look at NQ. No worries, man. NQ, yeah, no worries. All right, for SPY, what do we have here? And I'm pretty sure we've all been waiting, or I've been waiting for this for a very, very long time. So same thing here. This is what I'm seeing. That looks really good. Obviously, yes. What is this? We are consolidating. But I seen this clear, easy move up of this big green candle with no red candles interfering. So yes, this big green candle here. This is exactly what I want to the downside. But in order for us to actually do this one, we would need a top wall, and also a bottom wall is needed. So, what is this top and bottom wall that I'm seeing? Points of contact. And yes, as we were going over, just yesterday, I do like to look for points of contact each and every, for every wall, of course. And yes, guys, just remember, do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research, of course. So for my own analysis, what I'm thinking in my mind, okay, this bottom floor is having a very hard time getting under. So body candle, wick, closing directly at the same line. And where are we at now? So we're basically still consolidating in between these two levels. But under us, we have empty space. So let's just say, obviously there's no entry, not telling you guys to buy anything. Let's just say if we do have a breaking candle closure underneath this wall, I am targeting where there is resistance. And I don't see any resistance until all the way down here. And this is another wall, another box that I am seeing that looks absolutely fire. Yo, Ant, thanks for the roses, man. Really appreciate it. Make sure you guys stay hydrated today. Got some coconut water. Feeling amazing. All right, so yes, what are we doing? We're consolidating in between these two levels. So we don't ever want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation as well. Yo, thanks for the follows. But yeah, Ballerwood, I think, you know, it does look a lot bearish, but we'll just have to see. My Tesla puts still looking pretty good. We are at the final take profit here. But yeah, if we can end up filling that empty space, that would be great. But yeah, it's not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Obviously, first take profit would still be the middle of the move. And the middle of this move is from the entry to the exit, the imbalance, the literal middle. And that looks absolutely amazing. So what's up, man? I actually use TradeStation to trade. I do have Robinhood and also Webull as well. But yeah, those are pretty much it. And yes, that is on SPY. Let's keep going. So we did have that clear move down there. Also, if I wanted to go to a lower time frame and try to break this one down, I also could. We do see a little bit of upside too, but personally, I like that. The empty stays down. Oh man, I just stuttered. You can feel free to roast me. It's cool. All right, Qs. Let's see. All right, so 2 hour. I think yeah, same thing with. Oh wow, so looks like this move was already in the empty space. So right here, what are we seeing? Or you know, what do I see at least? So yes, no, I did not take the Qs though. I was in Tesla. So Tesla, we were at this 241. Now it's at this 231 area. So about $10 down or $9. So yeah, same thing here. What are we seeing? Wow, this looks really good though. So same exact thing here, guys. We see a clear, easy move up of this big green candle. So this is an area of no consolidation at all. And this is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, what do we need? So we need a consolidation area, so a top wall, and also a bottom wall. And wow, what a beautiful bottom wall that I'm seeing. And yes, this bottom wall, what is this? Body candle, and also a wick closing directly at the same line. And it does look like we ended up gapping underneath. So yeah, it looks like we got what, $3-4 down into the empty space. Obviously, I don't see any resistance until, what is this? This 421 area. 421.42. First take profit would still be the middle of the move. And that middle of this move is, yes, the literal middle from the entry to the exit. Yo, what's up, Shango? How are you, man? Chop range. Dude, I know, man. So, yeah, I think, you know, the last week or two, we were pretty much in chop. And, you know, we've been waiting for this play, the Qs play, for a very long time. And obviously, I still wait on my end-of-day swings. But, yeah, we did end up chopping for the last, like, week or two. We still were able to catch a lot of good trades. But, yeah, it's definitely a lot of chop, though. But, yeah, empty space. I would love that 431.21 and final that 421.42. But we'll just have to see. Obviously, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Not telling you guys to buy anything. Please do your own research. Yo, good morning, good morning. Really appreciate it. All right, so that was on the Qs. Let's go to let's look at some more. Let me see what AMD's talking about as well. And yes, guys, if you guys want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can all, can join that. We have the free version. We also have the VIP version where we give signals. Oh wow! So AMD, we had this charted out, right? And let's see. We had this wall. So let's actually go ahead and redo this. What am I seeing here? What is this? What do we have underneath? We have empty space. Boom. So candles where there is no consolidation. That's exactly what I'm targeting. That's exactly what I like. And I think on Thursday, or I think I charted this yesterday, but yes, we had a consolidation area, correct? So yes, consolidation where we are consolidating in between these two levels. Hey man, what's up, dude? How are you? You seeing a free empty space down to on the Qs? So let me see. Yeah, let me go back. I'll go back to the Qs after this one. No worries, man. But yes, please guys, do your own research. Not financial advice. You all have to do your own research as well. 1 second, guys. 1 second. All right, so Yeah, we'll just have to see. So for the Qs, at least it looks like that plays already went, so I don't want to chase it. But if we could come back and retest, possibly. So we'll just have to wait on, or I will just have to wait for sure. Obviously, can't buy anything. Obviously, not telling you guys to buy anything, so you all have to do your own research. But yes, as you can see, what do we have here? This is another box here. So top wall there, also bottom wall here. So we don't want to trade from one, we don't want to trade inside of consolidation, we want to trade to consolidation. Looks like we're inside of this consolidation here. That doesn't look bad, but I have been waiting for this top move. So this top move that I've been seeing looks really good. So yeah, same thing here, empty space, box. Obviously we're definitely not going to get that right now. Hood and PLTR, yeah, let me go over that. Let me write that down actually. HOD and PLTR, cool. And PLTR and Tesla. Yeah, we can go over Tesla. So Tesla was actually one of the heavier ones I did end up swinging this week, this weekend. But yeah, it was great. So yeah, let me go over. So back for the Qs. Let me go to the Qs really quickly. So yes, so a move like this, and personally, yes, guys, you all have to do your own research. Not financial advice. Not telling you guys to buy anything. But if a play is already kind of happening, and obviously I'm not into the Qs. I was into a couple other ones. But if, the play is already happening, I don't want to chase this play because if we end up reversing, that's a $4, stop loss that I don't want to be in. So maybe if we retest, that would be great. But that's just pretty much it. Yo, Shina, what's up? What's up? Good morning. How are you today? So yeah, let's keep on going. What? HOD, yeah, let's do it. And yes, guys, please remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So yeah, let's see. Let's see what the damage is here. Looks like, okay. Looks like we had this empty space. Yeah, yes, this was a play we're already caught. Alright, right here. Looks really decent. Let's go to a 24-hour time frame first, and then we'll break it down on a lower time frame as well. Yo, good morning, man. I'm chilling, bro. Ready for this week, man. So yes, we still will be focusing on end of day swings. Pretty much I'll take profits at open on whatever I'm on. But yeah, pretty much I definitely will be focusing on end of day swings for the last hour. But yeah, if we see a good day trade, I definitely will take it. But that's pretty much it. Dude, Nike, yeah, I'll go over Nike. I think you wanted me to do that well yesterday, but I forgot to do it. My bad. Nike and KO, yeah, I can definitely do that. KO. Oh my watch. Yeah, I love trading KO too. It's pretty good. So yeah, let's see. Let's go to a 24-hour time frame, break this down. And yes, what do we see here? So if I am on a 24-hour time frame, and yes, I do love to start on a 24-hour and work my way down. I don't really see anything that is catching my eye that doesn't look that good. So I go down to a lower time frame and I try to break it down. Obviously, yes. What am I seeing? Yo, Vic, what's up, man? How are you, bro? Good to see you. Good to see you, man. And yes, I think you just joined the Discord the other day. So yes, end of day swings is mainly what we'll focus on, but I'll be in the chat, of course. All right, so same thing here. What are we having? We have. All right, hold on. Let me go ahead and circle exactly what I'm looking for. So I see this clear, easy push-up of this big green candle with no red candles interfering. And yes, what do we have? Top wall, bottom wall here that I'm seeing. And this bottom wall is very, very important because this is buyer's control. And so buyer's job is to keep price pushing up once we do end up breaking or, coming close to this level. So their job is to, protect this from being tapped into. And let's just say if we do end up breaking and having a candle body closing underneath this wall, I don't see any resistance all the way down to this red candle here. That looks really good. And yes, if you do want to, this is another Potter box, so another wall. And in between, we have empty space. Empty space looks really good. Yo, Potter, what's up, man? Let's go. Everyone go give Potter Stocks a follow. We're using the Potter box right now, obviously. But yes, early morning, grinding, of course, ready for the markets to be open. But yes, we still will mainly focus on end-of-day swings, but if we find a trade during the day, we'll definitely take it, of course. But yes, guys, just remember, not financial advice. Please do your own research as well. If you haven't played on both sides, do you immediately cut the one that didn't work? So are you talking about, so you're talking about either hedging or if I see empty space to either side. It really just, so if you're talking about hedging, yes, like, you know, if one side works, yes, I definitely will cut the other side. But if you're talking about empty space on both sides, I pretty much, you know, just target the empty space. Like, let's say if I was, you know, favoring puts, but my, you know, the call side wanted to go through, then that's, you know, when I would, you know, just get in the calls and that's it. But yes, guys, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Yo, thank you, Potter, with the diamond gun. Really appreciate it. Okay, yeah, for hedging, yeah. So let's just say if I played earnings and I wanted to hedge a play, and you know, one side worked amazingly and the other side just didn't. Obviously, you know, if it worked out amazing, yes, I would still be in profit, and yes, I would cut the other positions as well. Zoom in a little. I got you, man. I got you. Let me zoom in. Or actually, all right, yeah. Let's see. Hold on, I got you. Yo, shout out to Potter with the diamond gun. Really appreciate it. Everyone give him a follow as well. 1 second. Yo, thanks for the follows, guys. All right, so that should be good. Hopefully, that's not as blurry. All right, so let's see. All right, so we did hood. That looks really good. Obviously, yes. No entry. You all have to do your own research. PLCR. Let's see what the damage is here. So I think I did this on a 24-hour. Yeah, 24-hour. So yes, still. So yes, we have empty space here. So yes, we see a clear, easy move down. And I'm looking at this top wall that does need to be broken. Obviously, body candle closing there. That looks really good. And above us, we have empty space. So it doesn't look bad at all. Yeah, I could definitely do NVIDIA for you. NVDA, yeah, it looks really good. Let's see. I think I did that, yesterday? I think I seen a play on there. So yeah, we'll just have to see with that. PLTR, let's see what Tesla's doing. So yes, Tesla was the one I did end up swinging. And so where was this at? This is on a 4-hour chart. So yeah, so same thing here. This is what we saw, and this was my interpretation of this. Obviously, not financial advice, guys. Not telling you guys to buy anything. You can, you all have to do your own research. So yes, what do we have here? Tesla. We had a clear, easy move up of this big green candle here, and let me show you actually where we at. So, all right. So Tesla, as you can see, what do we have? Tesla. You know, we had this wall here, and as you can see, we were right here at this, you know, let's see. Let me actually go ahead and show you. This is at this 241, and this was on, Thursday before market. And we had a clear, easy move up that we wanted to take to the downside. Obviously, buyers were trying to gain, you know, control of this floor. So, once I seen, you know, buyers step off a bit, so before and then also the aftermath here, as you can see, it did end up touching the final take profit, which ended up working amazing. So yes, at market open, I will end up selling that. But yes, guys, do your own research, not financial advice, not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over the charts and how I personally utilize the product box. That's pretty much it. So I've seen a clear move up of this big green candle with no red candles interfering, and we had a bottom wall. We did end up breaking outside of this wall, and you know, no, I didn't enter in right here, but we've seen that buyers, were trying to step in, but sellers ended up, taking control. And look what happened. We did end up touching my final take profit perfectly. So that was just my standpoint with that. But yeah, that looked really good. Clear move up, end up trotting below. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yo, Weezy, what's up, dude? How are you, man? Can you teach me stop loss, enter prop? Yeah, I got you, man. Yeah, no worries. 1 second as I take a sip of my coconut water. Wow, that's good. So yes, stop loss entries. So let's just say, so yes, we had a wall here, and 1 second. So let me go ahead and replay. So we'll do the replay button here. And what are we seeing here? Yo, shout out to you, man. Good to see you once again on this Monday morning. So yes, we had a clear, easy move up, right? And yes, we're in replay mode right now. I just put it in there. And we were underneath this. So we have this wall that we need to break below, right? And look what happens. My stop loss will be my entry. So let's just say we end up breaking below. My stop loss will be where I enter in. My final take profit is exactly, my final take profit where I see resistance. And that's pretty much it. Obviously, we did end up breaking below this wall. I did not enter into there. I entered in, let's see. So yes, stop loss will be the entry. And let's just say we got in here, we broke underneath the wall, and we're going down below. So my stop loss will be where I enter in, and that's mostly going to be break even or very minimal stop loss. And look what happens. We end up dropping below. Every single stock, dude, I know, every single stock looks literally the same. And, you know, we look for the same setup, so, you know, I guess that's good for us. I'm not complaining at all, but yes, every stock looks exactly, or, you know, almost every stock looks exactly the same. But yeah, let's see. So that was on Tesla. Let me go to Nike. So, dude, yeah, I got you with Nike, no worries. I did not forget about you. So, yes, Nike, let's see. I think we did this a 24-hour. So, yeah, 24-hour charts. So, this is what I have here. And, yes, I'm waiting on this one. This one doesn't look bad here. Let's go ahead and clear this. And, 1 second here. NKE. Yo, Marco, good morning, good morning. Shout out to you. So, yes, bleed alert, please. All right, yes, cool. What do we have here? And same exact thing, guys. And yes, guys, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Yo, what's up, Rug? How are you, man? Yeah, the keys do look pretty good. But as you can see, what do we have? Clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, what do we have here? We have a top wall and also a bottom wall. So I'm going by points of contact as well. Boom. So yes, top wall, what am I seeing? I see a body wick, body candle closing directly at that same line. We end up breaking above this level. I don't see any resistance to this green candle here. And yes, this is also another area of consolidation. And about these areas of consolidation, we do not want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. So to the next, so from one box to the next box. And that's pretty much it. That's all that I have to do. Obviously, yes, what are we doing now? We are consolidating. I don't want to trade this because they're just going to eat my contracts. I don't want to do this. But I would only care about this entry if we can break past my wall and have a candle closure at the end of the day. And I would love to take this to the upside. That doesn't look really bad. Obviously, yes, first take profit is where I see resistance. And that resistance is at the 61 cents. So that looks really good. Yo, Jose, how are you, man? Good to see you, bro. Honestly, yeah, I'm looking at, obviously we're on Nike right now, but had a couple other good ones that I did see. Yo, Han, what's up? Thanks for the follow, dude. I'm doing good, Rug. Hope you're doing well. So yeah, just getting ready for this week. And yes, if you are in my Discord, we mainly do end of day swing trades. So the end of day is when we'll, you know, mainly focus on. Obviously, yes, if I see a day trade, I would definitely alert it for the Discord. And yes, if you guys do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat where we give out signals. But personally, just join the free chat. See how you like it, things of that sort. Just remember, guys, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Hold on. I got to do KO NVIDIA. Let me go back to the keys really quickly. Let's see what the damage is there really quick. So, yeah, same thing here. Potter dropping bags. Dude, I already know. Potter, he's goated, man. So yes, it does look like we already gapped down from this 441 area into the empty space. I personally don't want to take this trade unless we can somehow retest my my wall, because I just don't like chasing trades. I just don't like chasing trades at all. So so this right here, this is Trading View. So this is how I go over all of my analysis. But I use TradeStation, Robinhood, and Webull as well. But yes, you know, yes, this does look good. However, we did end up breaking outside of my wall into the empty space. But you gotta understand, like, yes, I don't want to. Yes, we still have a full move down. So if I did want to enter, it would be more of a YOLO. But I just never like chasing a play like this, especially if I'm not already in, because that stop loss is at this 441. Obviously, I have break-even stop losses, but personally, I just don't want to take that right now. Yeah, SPY hasn't broken out yet at all, though. Let's see. But yes, guys, please do your own research. Not financial advice. Not telling you guys to buy anything. Please do your own research. Yo, hey, what's up? What's up? Good morning, good morning. So yeah, I can definitely look at what Google and UNH. Yeah, no worries. So yeah, I have a few other ones that I have to go over first, and then yeah, I'm writing all this down, so no worries at all. So Google and UNH, perfect, perfect. And MSCR, yo Marco, what's up? Yo, thanks for the GGs, really appreciate it. All right, so that is on the keys. Obviously, yes, empty space. We got to go over KO and NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, let me do that first, and then we'll go over KO as well. Yo, Alfred, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. All right, so yes, looks like we already tapped into this empty space, of course. You know what? We'll start on the higher time frame and work our way down, of course. And yes, guys, not financial advice. I'm only going over the charts and how I utilize Potterbox. But personally, yes, you all have to do your own research. So yes, we did already tap into the empty space. I do see some empty space above us though. So let me go to a 2 hour, possibly a 1 hour here. Oh wait, hold on, give me a second. That 2 hour looks really good. All right. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, same thing here. This is what I'm seeing. That looks really good. Looks really decent. Obviously, yes. What is this? This is the empty space that I've been talking about. Obviously, I could even break this down in a lower time frame. Oh, a lower time frame doesn't look bad though. Okay, yeah. You know what? We'll do this on a lower time frame. It's fine. So yeah, same exact thing here, guys. I'm looking for the same thing each day. Clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And this is called our empty space. And this is exactly what I want to take to the upside. Obviously, yes, we can't, just find empty space and then, just get in. No, we can't do that. We have to find a Potter box. So this is basically an area of consolidation. And this area of consolidation that I'm seeing is, let's see. So, top wall there, bottom wall here. And yes, this is basically an area of consolidation. You can see body candle, closing directly at the same line. And also, body candle here, closing directly at this same line. And right now, we're consolidating in between these two levels. So if we're consolidating, I don't want to enter in. There's nothing for us to do. And this top wall that I'm seeing, so body candle, closing directly at the same line. We end up breaking and closing above that wall there. I don't see any resistance, guys. And so, boom, this bottom of this green candle. So what do we have? Obviously, yes, I would try to take it all the way up to here, but personally, I see that resistance there, so I will keep it safe. As you can see, if also if you do want to make yourself feel better about it, this is another box. So basically, yes, we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. Obviously, we have the empty space that we're targeting. And yes, if we are inside, I don't want to, take that at all. But if we break outside, I definitely will, that definitely looks good. But yes, first take profit will still be the middle of the move from my entry to my exit, and that's pretty much it. Obviously, yes, not telling you guys to buy anything. You all have to do your own research, of course. But yeah, that play does look good. This is a 30-minute chart. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, hold on. Give me 1 second. I'm drinking some water and stuff. Taking some medicine. All right, yeah, we're good. All right, so that was on NVIDIA. Let's keep on going now. Let's see what my Tesla's doing. All right, Tesla's trying to pump back up, but I don't think it's going to go up $10. So yeah, let's keep going here. So yes, NVIDIA. Let's go over KO really quickly. Let's see what's happening here. Yo, thanks for all the follows. Thanks for all the likes, guys and gals. Really appreciate it. Yes, let's start on the higher time frame. I don't think I have anything on here. All right, cool. Oh, wow. So actually, you know what? We'll start on the weekly chart. So KO. We had a very good run on KO. Oh man, okay, so does look like we're going up, of course, but let me go down to a lower time frame and break this one down. And yes, I do like to start on higher time frames and then work my way down to a lower time frame. All right, yeah, same thing here. I do like this 4-hour. Let me see if they, 2 hours available. Yeah, I like that 4-hour a lot better. I definitely, and let me get off of replay mode. Thank you. All right, yeah, 4-hour, let's see. All right, yeah, perfect. This is what I have here. This looks really amazing. This looks really good. Yo, Victor, what's up, what's up? Yo, Vic, so LMC and also, yeah, gosh, you guys, let me find my pen. I don't know where my pen is. Oh, it's in my pocket. I don't know why. I don't know why it's in my pocket. All right, so yeah, let me write that down. LMC and then also SC. Yeah, got you guys. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so KO, this is what I have here. This looks, fairly decent. Yes. What is this? We have empty space here, so this clear, easy move up of these big green candles, so no red candles interfering. Also, what is this? We have a soft wall. We also have this bottom wall here. That look absolutely fire. So bottom wall, we see body candle, body wick closing directly at the same line. Also, we break underneath. We have empty space. That's, not the biggest move there, but yes, empty space to here. It looks like, we may not get this entry for a while since we are currently up. So yeah, we're all the way up here. So there's just nothing for us to do right now except for just wait for that. So 1 second here. 1 second. So we had what? Let me see what Google's talking about. So Google, and UNH. Got you guys. So yeah, let's see what. Yeah, okay, Google. It does look like it's tapped into the empty space, of course. So hold on 1 second. All right. So what time frame? So let's look at this on a 1 hour time frame. And yes, what do we have here? We have empty space. This clear, easy move up that we will love to take to the downside, of course. It looks like we did end up breaking below my wall. So we ended up tapping below this wall. Looks like we're in the empty space, clearly. First TP would still be, obviously, yes, guys, not financial advice, not telling you guys to buy anything. I definitely won't be entering into this play unless we can retest, but yes, what do we have? Empty space. Looks like we already tapped below. About like a dollar down or almost $1 down, so not bad. Personally, we'll just have to see with this one. I definitely don't want to take any of these trades right now. Let me see what the Qs are doing. Qs are trying to, go back up. So yeah, that does look really good, but personally, I just don't like chasing. So, and I'm already in, a position, so we'll be taking profits at open as well. MSTR, UNH. So yeah, let me go over UNH though. Let me see what UNH is talking about. All right, so for UNH, I think, yeah, I did go over this yesterday. So, yes, same thing here, guys. Yeah, no worries, no worries. Yeah, just give me, just drop the tickers down and I got you guys. Yo, Mr. T, thanks for the follows, guys. Rudy, thanks for the follow. Thick Stars, good morning, good morning. Good to see you. Great to see you. And yes, guys, we will mainly focus on end of day swings. I do have a lot of swings that are, that look really good end of day. So, that's going to be my main focus. Obviously, yes, maybe I find a day trade or two, but personally, yeah, I definitely will find end of day swings as well. Zom, oh wow, yeah, let's do that. Zom, let's do it. You, okay, got you. You, I was like, okay, I think that was you, but I wasn't too sure. So yeah, same thing here. What do we have? And same thing here. Looks absolutely amazing. We have this clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, this is exactly what I would want to take to the upside. Obviously, what do we need first? We would need a break in candle body closure above above a wall here. So 1 second. So yeah, in a video, I do gotta go over that. So yeah, I'll go over that again, no worries. How do you end it of day's work? What is the setup? So basically, if you're in my, obviously, yes, I look for the same trade. I look for the same method on each and every time frame, the 24-hour, the 1 hour, but we mainly focus on end of day swings. And you may be asking me like, okay, why would you wait to the end of day? It's because market moves after hours, and we do like swing trading. So same thing here with Tesla. This was a swing that we ended up doing on Thursday. We were like up here at this 241. Now we're down at this 232. And I look for empty space, so I look for the same thing each and every day. And a lot of people are very busy in my Discord. They can't look at the screen, all day. But, you know, this is why, you know, I do like the end of base swings because, you know, we don't have to stress about it. We don't have to worry about it. You know, we either get into the play or we don't. And it either works or it doesn't. And that's just pretty much it. So yeah, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. Obviously, you don't have to join. I'm live every day, but yes, you can join up if you guys want to. Just make sure, guys, do your own research. Not financial advice, so please, please, please do your own research, guys. Obviously, yes. What do we have here? We have another wall, another box. Top wall there, also bottom wall here. That look fairly amazing. Yes, inside the middle. What do we have? Empty space. So this does look fairly good. I will say, for a trade like this, just be very careful because this may try to do a little bit of pullbacks, but from this 479 to that 579 actually sounds crazy. So MSTR, yeah, I definitely have to go over that as well. Do you think Tesla is good stock? Please send me a private. I think that's a bot, but anyways, so yeah, let me go over. Yeah, I got you, bro. Let me do MSCR. That was on the list as well. All right, so make sure. Let me remove all these drawings. SO5, Simone, got you. No worries. So yes, I will go ahead and do everything here, but you all have to do your own research. Please do your own research, not financial advice. Yo, thanks for the follows. Thanks for the likes, guys. 3,000 likes. You guys are going crazy right now. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's keep going. All right, MSCR. Let's go to a lower time frame. Try to break this one down. I haven't seen a clear setup on this in a while, though. I will be completely honest. All right, yeah, same thing here. Got you. Let's do it. So yes, doesn't matter. AMC, James. Yeah, I'll take a look at that. You know what? I haven't looked at that in a while, actually. So. You know what? That might be interesting to look at. So yeah, no worries. Got you, man. And ADD, yeah, I can definitely look at that. ADD, cool. All right, so yeah, same thing here. And obviously, yes, guys and gals, I know that we are all the way up here, so there is just no entry for us at all. There's nothing for us to do on this. But what do we have here? Top wall. We also have this bottom wall here. That look fairly amazing. And under us, so yes. Wall that I'm seeing right here. So we have empty space all the way down into this red candle here. That looks really amazing. That looks really good. Obviously, my first TP would still be the middle from the entry to my exit. And that is the imbalance. And the imbalance is pretty much where we end up trimming most contracts, leaving the runners. And that's just pretty much it for that. Thanks, man. Yeah, no worries, bro. I got you, James. Have you done S? No, I did not. I can definitely do that soon. So yeah, I just use regular candles with extended time frame. So extended time frame. Let's go to I think Tesla would be a good. So hold on. So Tesla, let's see. Why do I use the 24-hour with extended time frame? So let's just go to a 1 day. So 1 day charts. You can see there's a lot more gaps. There's a lot more gaps in here. So yes, I want the full information. This is why I use the 24-hour charts. You can see that looks really good. And I also use extended time frame. So regular trading hours, you can see a lot more gaps. I don't want to trade this at all. But yes, I go down and I go to the extended time frame trading hours. And boom, it's a lot more information and that as well. Just got here, sir. What did you do? What did you say? So MSCR. Obviously, yes, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice. We are currently, yes, yes, we are at this 325 area, so there's just no entry for me at least. So I'll break it down a little bit more, no worries. But yes, this is what I've seen here. I've seen this clear, easy move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And yes, we have a wall that we need to break under. If we break under that, would love to see us dropping to this downside. That looks really good. Yo, just me and my charts. Good morning, good morning. Good to see you all. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Thanks for the follow, Roger. Really appreciate it. So yes, right now, looks like we may have to wait for this entry. Obviously, we will have to wait. But yeah, that doesn't look bad. So yeah, let's keep on going. I think, let's see. Let me see if there's a... Alright, so yeah, maybe there is, a little trade here, possibly. Yes, there is a little bit of empty space that I can clearly see. 1 second here. So this is on a 45. chart, 45 minutes. So yes, top wall, bottom wall here as well. And this is where these candles are having a very hard time getting under. So body candle there, closing directly at the same line. And if we do end up breaking underneath that wall there, I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom. This red-green candle here, that's it. Also another area of consolidation. Obviously, first TP would still be the middle of the move, and that is, let's see, this 320.96. Obviously, yes, we are consolidating. There's no entry for us. You all have to do your own research, so please do your own research, not financial advice, guys. Please do your own research. So yeah, that was on MSTR. That doesn't look too bad. Let's see what, yeah, I got you with STZ. I got you, bro. No worries. So 1 second, let me remove all this. Let me get on a higher time frame. Alright, so I will be honest, for STZ, for like a play like this, I personally, you know, just don't like how the candles move on this, so I personally wouldn't even take a trade on this, but I can still break it down, no worries. Let's see. Maybe on a 30-minute, possibly. Let's see, 1 second here. I just don't like how these candles look. They just don't look, you know, too good for me. But yeah, I can still break it down easily. So yeah, same thing here. What are we seeing? What are your rules for entry? Candle closure in the zone. So yeah, too many wicks. You know, it's just like you know, these candles are kind of, you know, a lot of gaps, and it looks like, you know, not regular trading hours, but it is, you know, regular trading hours. But yeah, there's still a little bit of empty space right here. If we can get under that, what, that 184.56 area. But yeah, that doesn't look bad at all. But wait, yeah, we'll just have to see though. But yeah, it's just too many wicks. So like, yeah, for a play like this, maybe on a weekly chart, maybe on a higher time frame, I could definitely do this. So yes, higher time frame looks really good. But that lower time frame, I just didn't really like it. But that weekly chart, yes, we still have a lot of empty space above us. This one's going to be a little bit, so 1 second here. So yes, still clear move down. And you know, that was a very good example, you know, of candles. So yeah, on a lower time frame, if a candle looks like that or the chart looks like that, I definitely will end up staying away. 1 second here. Let's see. Looking for points of contact. Personally use points of contact. Alright, so yes, points of contact. This is what I have here. And this looks fairly amazing. Yeah, the upside on the weekly looks really good though. So maybe I should have started on the weekly chart, but yeah, no worries. So I did like this. This did look pretty good. So same thing here. What do we have? So 1 second here. Yes. What are we seeing? Body wick, and then another body wick closing directly at the same line. And all that I'm waiting for. And yes, we're pretty much consolidating in between these two levels. And let's just say we do end up breaking above this wall, this level. I don't see any resistance until here. This green candle here. And boom, what do we have in the middle? Empty space. Looks really, really good. So yeah, I do apologize for the lower time frame. But yeah, lower time frame, if I see something like that, I definitely stay away. But yeah, the weekly chart looks really good. So yes, empty space. Inside the imbalance, that looks pretty fire. So yeah, give me 1 second, guys. Let me make sure that VIP chat, they're doing all good. Yeah, we're doing amazing. Yeah, we're good. Oh wow, I think we have a lot of earnings plays this week. So we're going to get ready for this week. It's going to be great. So that was on STZ. Let's go to ZOM. You guys want to see ZOM as well. Let's see what the damage is here. Let me make sure the Tesla is doing well. Yeah, Tesla, it's at my target. And so for ZOM, I did end up taking most profits on this one Thursday. So yes, or not, yeah, Thursday. So yes, we did end up getting in. I got in around I got in very early, so my contracts were up over 100% on this. So I did end up taking most profits, but yeah, my runners. So yeah, we got in. So you know, it did end up going to that 106 area. The highest it went was, you know, what? This 108. We did end up taking lots of profits here. Looks like we're, you know, trying to tap into this retest this floor. So I have a very, very yellow entry. So we'll just have to see with that. But yeah, this is why for ZOM at least for the calls, I didn't want to swing any heavy calls. So I took most profits on Thursday. I was like, you know what, that was a free. It was a good entry. So that worked out well. Let's see what the runners can do though. So right now, yes, we still have empty space, but I definitely wouldn't want to enter in unless we can break above my level, because we're consolidating inside this box. So yes, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research, guys. Please do your own research. But yeah, let's see. Maybe we can't end up breaking above that level again. We'll just have to see right now. Let's see what U's talking about. So hold on, you have to do SOFI, AMC, ADD as well. A lot of these other trades. Let me see what, hold on. Let me see what SPY's doing right now. So SPY, hold on, that's not SPY. But yes, we'll do pretty much everything as well. Got you guys. Yo, Houston, what's up, man? How are you today? Good to see you. UPXI, let me see. Dude, I have a lot of UPXI. I have to do that as well. And WMC, I did not do Walmart yet. Honestly, I am pretty curious on what Walmart's doing. So yeah, we'll definitely take a look for sure. Alright, let's look. Boom, what do we have here? So yeah, we're still basically consolidating for SPY. The Qs, I think we may end up, let's see. Yeah, the Qs look good. We're in the empty space, but man, I just don't want to chase this one, so I'll just have to wait. Dude, shout out to Houston Daniels, man. I'm glad to see you doing well, bro. Good to see you. So yes, clear move up. We'll love that empty space to be filled, but I definitely don't want to chase that. And yes, not telling you guys to buy anything. You all have to do your own research, so please do your own research. So yeah, let me see. Let's see. So SOFI and U. So let's do SOFI and U as well. So maybe let's start on a higher time frame, it's 24-hour. Alright, yeah, I don't really see anything here. Yes, a little bit empty space, but personally, let's go to a lower time frame and try to break this one down. And same thing here. Well, that, not going to lie, that doesn't look too bad. So yes, we have a top wall there. We also have bottom wall here. That looks really good. And yes, what is this bottom wall that I'm seeing? Points of contact, guys. Body candle, body wick, closing directly at the same line. Hold on, let me go ahead and change this working song. Each live, I don't know, it comes on, but it's all good, no worries. As you can see, what is this? Clear move up, all these green candles. We end up breaking below this wall. I can see it's dropping all the way down to where we see resistance, all the way down here. That doesn't look bad. Obviously, we're consolidating. There's no entry for us, so we will just have to wait. So if we're consolidating, there's just nothing for me to do except for wait. And I will be fine with waiting, because I know once we do end up breaking below or above a wall, that's exactly when we can be able to take those trades. But right now, there's nothing for us to do. We're consolidating. But yeah, it doesn't look bad for the future. Not bad. Oh wow, all these trades look exactly alike. Alright, so this is what I'm clearly waiting for. And yes, this is more of a, so we would definitely have to wait for this one. But yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. Yes, we are all the way at this 1086, so there's just nothing for us to do right now except for wait. So yes, we all have to wait for this one at least. But what am I seeing here? And yes, guys, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. And all of my charts are going to look exactly the same. So, looks like I'm going over a lot of things, which I am. But, let's see. All of my charts look exactly the same. I'm looking for a clear move down of all of these red candles. Of no consolidation. We end up breaking above a wall. I want us to tap. Same thing. Doesn't matter in U. Clear move down. We end up breaking above a wall. I want to tap. So, same thing here. Look for the same setup each and every day. If you want to see the type of work that we do, you can go inside the Discord and see. Obviously, we have the games page, we have the testimonials. Links in the bio for the Discord. Obviously, yes, you have to do your own research before you do anything, so please do your own research, not financial advice. So, yes, right here. Yes, obviously, I know, guys, we are completely down at this 1085, so there's just nothing for me to do right now. But what do we see here? I see a clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. Yo, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. And yes, what do we see here? We see a top wall. We also see this bottom wall here as well. So top wall, what do we see here? Body candle, and also there's a wick closing directly at the same line. And let's just say we do end up breaking above that level there. I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this green candle here. So yes, in the middle we have exactly what we're targeting. Obviously, yes, we're not even inside the box, so we're consolidating. Nothing for us to do. First take profit would still be the middle of the move, and that middle of this move is going to be the empty space. So yes, the imbalance. This is where we typically trim most contracts. Obviously, yes, there's nothing for us to do except for just to wait. But yeah, it doesn't look bad for the further future. But yes, guys, please do your own research, of course. Yo, Raymond, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So yeah, let's keep on going. Let's look at some more trades. Let's look at some more things here, and let's see. So 1 second here. So SO5. Do we do AMC? I'm gonna see what AMC is talking about too as well. Wow, I have a lot of good setups that I do have to work on, that I do have to complete inside of the Discord. So yeah, I do have a lot of swing trades that do look very, very amazing. SMCI and R, yeah, I could definitely do that. Shout out to Chris, shout out to V for pulling up, really appreciate it. So SMCI, yeah, I could definitely do that. And RIBN. Cool, got you guys. And I do have to do Walmart too as well. So yes, I'm pretty much going down the list as well. So yeah, same thing here. Empty space, but doesn't look like we're going to get this one. We're pretty much in the shop right now, so I don't want to even get into this at all. Shout out to V for the follows, really appreciate it. So yeah, let me see. 1 second. So I got to do WMT, so WMT as well. 1 second. If it does want to, oh wait, hold on. Let's see. Honestly, okay. Let's see. Let me see a 4-hour really quickly. So that 4-hour does look pretty good. This 24-hour doesn't look bad. Hold on. 12-hour. 24-hour doesn't look bad here. So yeah, same thing here. Did I do Verizon? I don't think so. I didn't think I did Verizon. So yeah, no worries. We can definitely go over that. All right, so right here. Wish this was a better top wall. I will be completely honest, but yes, top wall. That's a good bottom wall for me. That's fine. So yes, what do we have there? We have. Hold on. Oh, that looks really good. So yes, empty space all the way down into this 88, 86 area. Hold on 1 second. Let me make sure that's perfect. All right, yeah. So yes, same thing here. Empty space. That looks really good. All the way down until this 89, 96 area. That looks really good. Obviously, yes, what are we doing? We're consolidating. So there's just nothing for us to do at all. So as you can see, yes, we can end up breaking under that 91.23. That 88.65 looks really good. But we'll just have to see on that. Doesn't look bad, though. So yeah, we'll keep on going. 1 second here. So that was on Walmart. Let's do Verizon. I was supposed to do that like 30 minutes ago. Oh, no, that's the wrong one. VZ. All right. Yes. What do we have here? And yeah, same exact thing. That I pretty much have been, waiting for. And doesn't look bad at all. And same thing here. What is this? Boom. Yes. We'll start fresh. That did look a little bit confusing at first. So yeah, same thing here. What do we have? Seeing a clear, easy move up. All these, green candles with no red candles interfering. Oh, VZ has earnings tomorrow. Oh, wow. So yeah, I'll definitely have to look at a higher time frame for that. So yeah, it's top wall. We also have this bottom wall as well. If we end up breaking below that, I don't see any resistance until this red candle here. And boom, inside of the middle, this is, obviously the risk reward isn't there, so I don't really know. I want to take this on a little 4-hour, but yes, still empty space. It doesn't look bad there. Still have that consolidation. So we're still inside of consolidation, basically. Let's go to a higher time frame, possibly a weekly chart. Let's break this one down. Oh, wow. Hold on. So if Verizon does something crazy, let's see. So yes. Did the audio go out? Let me know if the audio went out. No audio, let me know. Let's see. Hopefully the audio didn't go out. If it did, I'm sorry, but I think so. Yeah, I think we're good now. I think we're good. Just let me know if you guys can hear me. I think we should be chilling now. Oh yeah, we're back. Okay, cool, perfect. All right, so yeah, same thing here. Sorry about that, guys and gals. So yes, clear, easy move down. All these red candles, and yes, I would love for it to be tapped up until, let's see, this 49 area. Obviously, first take profit would still be the the middle of the move. But yeah, if we can end up doing something crazy, I do like this upside movement. Okay, cool. Appreciate you all. Thanks, Simone. Thanks, Marco. Thanks, Dick. Really appreciate it. So yes, guys, if you are in my Discord, we will be focusing on end of day swings. So the last hour is mainly when we will get into swing trades. That's when we mainly, you know, end up trading. And yes, I will end up taking profits at open. Do have a couple trades that I'm already in. And then just pretty much wait it out. If I see a good trade though, I definitely will end up taking it, of course. Definitely, I love the Qs, but I just don't want to take this trade right now. Unless we can like somehow retest, because yes, we could end up, you know, flourishing back up. But right now, I just don't want to do that. So let's see. Let's keep on going. So SMCI, I got you. I think V wanted to see SMCI as well. APOD and Apple. Yeah, I can definitely do that. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. I am back. I promise I'm back. All right, yeah, let's get straight to it. So yeah, same thing here. What am I looking at? SMCI. Let's go to a higher time frame. Let's go to a 24-hour, and let's break this one down. Obviously, if it wants to load, yeah, it wants to load now. So okay, personally, let's see. So personally, this is what I personally am waiting for. I do see a clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering, and yes, that's exactly what I want to the upside. Obviously, yes, what do we see here? We are inside of consolidation, so there's just nothing for us to do right now. We also can, so let's see. Let's go to a lower time frame. Lower time frame, please load. Thank you so much for loading. All right, so lower time frame, this is what I have here. This looks fairly decent. Obviously, yes. What do we have? What am I seeing? Clear, easy move up. This big green candle with no red candles interfering. We have a top wall. We also have some top wall there. Boom. Bottom wall. Boom. That looks fairly decent. We end up breaking and having a candle closure underneath that wall. I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom. Here, this red candle. Yes, this is another area of consolidation. That doesn't look bad. And 1 second. Yeah, that doesn't look bad at all. Yes. We are currently at this 30 area, so there's just nothing for us to do. We all have to wait on that. So there is no entry. You all have to do your own research, not financial advice. So please, guys, do your own research. But yeah, that doesn't look bad at all. Obviously, yes. What are we seeing here? So hold on. Give me a second. Let me make sure the VIP chat is doing well, doing good. Let's go. I am ready. So yeah, wow. So yeah, we did end up, wow. So I'm definitely taking profits at open. I really don't care. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be taking profits at open. We did get into Tesla, so I'm definitely will be taking that and then waiting for some new trades as well. So yeah, it's already going to be a good start to the week, so I'm pretty much ready. It's going to be a great week as well. So SCI, we did just go over that. You all wanted to see AAPL, so yeah, I haven't even looked at Apple. So, and yes, guys, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You all can join that as well. The swing that we did get into, so I was already in Zom, but I already claimed profits. Most profits on Thursday. We did have another one, and then, yes, we have Tesla as well. So we did end up getting into Tesla. So Tesla was one of the ones that I did go heavier in a little bit because it just, it was just self-explanatory, empty space. We ended up punching back outside. So, yes, what is this? Let's see. 1 second here. So Tesla. So this was on a, you all can see this. This is what? on the 7th, so on the 17th at 3:27 p.m. So yes, in between. So that was the last hour, and this is where we were at. We had this empty space, so let me go ahead and show you. We had a clear move up of this big green candle. We were down here. Obviously, we got in, you know, once we did end up rejecting back below. So this is the before, and also the aftermath now for Tesla. So just 230. So same thing, Tesla, down to this 230. So yeah, that ended up working out. So before, so the after, before, and then after. So yes, Tesla, what a crazy move. Definitely going to be a great opening for sure. So yeah, let's look at Apple really quickly. And yes, you guys, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat as well. But actually, I will be getting off now. I do have a lot of work to do inside of the Discord. Let's see. So yes, if you all do want to join the Discord, you all can. Link is in the bio. You can join that. But yes, we have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I will be back on live in like an hour or two. So yeah, no worries, guys. Thank you so much. Have a blessed one in Jesus' name, amen. The Discord link is in the bio if you guys want to join. See you all soon.